Magandang araw po, teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal, ang kasama nyo sa inyong online distance learning journey na magbibigay kaalaman sa mga online learning tools. Kaya mag-subscribe at i-hit lang ang bell ng ating YouTube channel para ma-update tayo sa mga bagong mga learning videos. Magandang araw po, teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal. Ngayon po, i-share ko po itong magandang balita at opportunity na pwede natin salihan or applyan. Ito po yung Philippine-France DOST Scholarship 2021. So, dito po sa post po ng Government PH, may kita po natin yung details about sa program po for the scholarship. So, ito po yung kanilang announcement. So, pag kinik po natin yan, mapupunta po tayo sa mismong website ng Philippine-France scholarships na ino-offer ng French Embassy. So, makita po natin dito yung details at kung kailan po yung deadline for the applications. Ito po is mag-start po ng January 11 at ang deadline po is March 15, 2021. So, ito po yung kailangan i-fill up na details para po makapag-apply ng scholarship po for France. So, mamaya po, lalagay ko po yung link ng kanilang website para makita po natin yung iba po mga information about po sa kanilang in-offer na scholarship. So, next po is how to submit your application. So, sabi po dito, the application session of the Philippine-France Scholarship is ongoing from January 11 to March 15, 2021. So, pwede po tayo mag-apply dito. Lalo po tayo po mga educators dahil ang kailangan po nila is academic discipline. So, yung mga teachers po na nangarap po na mag-aral sa France for their master's and doctorate degree. So, pwede po tayo mag-apply. So, ito po ay in cooperation with the DOST Scholarship. So, punta na po tayo sa Eligibility Criteria. So, ito po ay, ang scholarship po is binibigay po sa next generation of Filipino leaders with strong academic, leadership, and professional abilities who wish to study in France for their master's degree. So, ano po yung mga criteria? Applicants must be Filipino citizens who are residing in the Philippines at the time of application. Second po is graduates or graduating students of a Philippine higher education institution. And make sure po na wala po tayong mga previous na French government scholarships para hindi po tayo maging ineligible. So, punta po tayo sa eligible programs. So, ito po yung kailangan po natin malaman pag nag-apply po tayo for this scholarship. So, ang gagamitin pong instruction is English, French, or both. And then, level of study is master's degree. Then, field of study dapat na ina-applyan natin is all academic disciplines. So, make sure po na ang kukunin po natin course is yung all academic disciplines. Ang duration po ng master's program po nila is may length po na 18 to 24 months, including po ang mandatory internship period. So, yan po. Foreign higher education institution based in France ay hindi po sila pwede mag-apply for this scholarship. So, how to submit your applications? So, dito po, pag kinik po itong Phil-France scholarships, pwede po tayo dito maglagay ng ating data at yung mga kailangan pong mga attachment para ma-confirm po at ma-verify po nila yung ating mga requirements. So, ito po. So, click nyo lang po yan, then attach po nyo yung inyong file. Ano po yung mga benefits na pwede po natin makuha dito po sa kanilang scholarship? So, ito po, a tuition fee subsidy for the entire duration of the master's program pag po sa state-regulated public universities. Pero kapag po sa iba po, private university po sa France, they will give a partial tuition fee subsidy. So, para po maging clear, dapat po makapag-apply po muna tayo ng ating master's program sa any French higher education institution. E pag naka-apply na po tayo, natanggap na po tayo doon, tsaka po tayo mag-apply for this scholarship. And then also, including po sa benefits are yung monthly stipend of 700 euros regardless of the city of residence. And number 3, a healthcare package composed of mandatory and a supplementary insurance policy. Number 4, priority access to public student housing facilities. Number 5, 1 round-trip flight from Manila to the French city of destination. And number 6, exemption from French long-stay visa application fees. So, ang dapat po natin tandaan po, teachers or educators na naghahangat po for this scholarship is, number 1 po, dapat po is nakapag-apply na po tayo sa any French higher institutions. Tapos po, pag natanggap na po tayo doon, then that's the time po na mag-apply na po tayo for this Phil France scholarships. Then, kung meron po tayong mga questions about this scholarships, ilalagay ko po yung link ng Philippine France scholarships sa description po ng video na ito para ma-visit nyo rin po itong kanilang website. Yun lang po at maraming salamat and good luck po sa mga mag-a-apply po ng scholarships for this very few opportunities na ino-offer ng French Embassy. Maraming salamat po. Kung nagustuhan nyo po itong video, please like and share. And comment kung may mga questions po tayo. Muli, maraming salamat po. For more learning videos and tutorials, CPD seminars and webinars, DepEd news and updates, and new trends in education, subscribe and hit the notification bell of our YouTube channel. For more learning resources, join my Facebook group. Stay safe po and God bless. Happy learning, pals!